science. Here we go. Inflating a weather balloon on a snowy day. Let's see. Wow. Let's go a little bit bigger. Yeah, I know it's snowing. I'm used to it. I'm from northern New York. That's about 5 feet right there. I think I'm gonna call that good for now. And it came with a zip tie to seal it, but I always use an elastic. Whoa! Oh, wow, that's amazing! Come back, weather balloon! Thank you for coming back. Don't go away. Stay over there. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's great! Kinda want to go on the swing, but the swing has snow. So maybe it's not a good day to take the weather balloon on the swing. The weather balloon says it's gonna snow today. You think the weather balloon is right? It's like a giant wobble bubble. Wow. That is amazing! Wonderful! Isn't it great? Oh, I hear a little bird. I can't believe there's a bird out on a snowy day. I'm looking for the valve. Where is it? Where'd it go? That is so much fun. Until it gets away. Back here. Oh, and I just found the valve. You see the valve? Can you see it? It's right there. It's got snow on it. Okay. never work as a hippity hop. Never, ever, ever. Time to deflate it. Pack it away. On the first day of spring. It's still pretty thin. I've got a little ways to go. Fun, entertaining video for you. Getting there. Right, well, we inflated the weather balloon for the first day of spring for its first time outside. Yay! It's great. I just wanted to show you that you were sitting in that wagon, in the tractor wagon, and recording right there. So long. Have a great day. Packed up. The weather wasn't exactly spring-like. We've got some snow on this as well. All right.